So remember, little is sugar. I'll shake it around. Milk, which I already... And then you have your ice in your bag. Here is your salt. Take your salt, put it in your bag.
You're the one being chosen. Play the part like Moses. Keep it fresh like roses.
Looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Coldest with the kiss, so we call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be. Looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet. Baby,
Very good ice cream.
diamonds on my wrist, so we call me ice cream. You could double dip, 'cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. I know that my heart can be so cold, but I'm sweet, but you can put me in a cone. You're the only touch, yeah, that give me nothing. He's a favorite.
Make ice cream. Get 2 plastic bags, 1 big and 1 small. Add milk, cream, flavoring, and sugar to the small bag and seal it tightly. Then add a lot of ice and some salt into the big bag. Place the small bag into the big bag and seal it well. Then shake it for 10 to 15 minutes until the small bag feels hard. Done! Best thing is, you can add whatever flavor you want and make your favorite ice cream.
Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream.